Hello everyone, this is Mr. Xu from Think Academy. Well, this week we will talk about quick and tricky calculations. And the most important method we study this week is splitting terms of fractions, 分数列项. So what is it? So let me write down two fractions here. If I have 1 over 3 and 1 over 4. I think you have already learned the subtraction of fractions, right? When you do 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4, first you have to find the LCM of the denominators. Well, the LCM of 3 and 4 is actually 12, which is 3 times 4, right? So we change 1 over 3 into 4 over 3 times 4, minus 1 over 4 into 3 over 3 times 4. So it changes into 4 minus 3 over 3 times 4, which is actually 1 over 3 times 4, which is 1 over 12, right? This is quite easy. So this is a subtraction of fractions. But what is splitting terms of fractions? Well, if you see it from right to left, it is splitting term of fraction. Well, on the right side, you have one fraction here, right? And on the left side, you have two fractions here, right? So you change one fraction, you split one fraction into two fractions. So it's called splitting terms of fractions. And you see that 3 and 4 is on the denominator on the right side, 3 and 4, right? So we successfully change one fraction into the subtraction of two fractions. So if I give you 1 over 3 times 4, you can know, oh, it's 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. And if I give you 1 over 4 times 5, do you know it equals to the subtraction of which two fractions? Well, let's try. 1 over 4 times 5 equals to, well, the numerator 1 is actually 5 minus 4, right? 5 minus 4, and the denominator is 4 times 5. Well, 5 minus 4 over 4 times 5, well, actually equals to 5 over 4 times 5 minus 4 over 4 times 5. And 5 over 4 times 5 is actually 1 over 4. And 4 over 4 times 5 is actually 1 over 5. So it equals to 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5. So again, I successfully split one fraction into the subtraction of two fractions, right? So it's called splitting terms of fractions. And then if I give you 1 over 9 times 10, do you know this fraction equals to which two? This fraction equals to the subtraction of which two fractions? Well, it equals to 1 over 9 minus 1 over 10, right? So this is the splitting term of the fraction, okay? So I think some of you may have already learned it at primary level. So as this week, we will deal with some difficult problem. And besides splitting terms of fractions, we will still talk about splitting terms of integers, well, which is quite interesting and skillful, and I think a little bit harder, right? So this is a preview video of this week, and see you this weekend.